Welcome to our wonderful knowledge sharing sessions. You are with Dr. Maharajan. We are learning about FinTech and financial analytics. We fondly call FinTech, that is financial technology. Now, before proceeding, this is actually series 2. Before proceeding further, let us recap what we have studied so far. So we have studied about data collection, most importantly the significance of data collection, the importance. Data collection matters. Data is the new oil. The world is driven by data. And there is not only data, the quality of our output, our decisions, our business, that depends upon the quality of the data. So we have diverse methods of collecting data, and we have to make strategic choices in our data collection and analytics. Now with this, what are we into today? What are we going to study today? That is, can you identify the themes? Surveys, observations, and financial data. Oh, what all these are about? What is the common thing we can find in all the three? So if we go through this, that is exactly we are talking about data collection methods. Data collection actually is a very systematic process. It's a structured process. Even though we have learned about unstructured interviews and all, our aim is very clear. Where we start, where we end, what do we want to achieve, that must be structured. We get reliable insights into the collected data. Further, the data has to be accurate, it has to be representative of the population, and it should be reliable for drawing meaningful decisions. And we have to make informed decisions. We all know this is the world of data-driven decision making. Rather than going by our intuitions or our judgments, now we primarily depend upon data because we are living in a world of big data. Now, what are the primary data collection methods? Like, we have two methods broadly, primary and secondary data collection methods. Primary data collection means we are collecting the data first hand. That means we are collecting the data for the first time for the problem in hand. So we can use surveys. Surveys can be structured questionnaires, or they can be unstructured, or they can be semi-structured also, or even they can be qualitative with open-ended questions. And we can have interviews with there are many other techniques. We can have panel interviews, and in interviews again, that it can be face-to-face, or it can be online, or it can be a telephonic interview also. And we have focus groups where we bring the people, a small group of people together, preferably experts in the field, in the domain, for discussing about a particular topic. Generally, these are used for new product development and other things. And we have observations, systematically recording, observing the data. Sometimes with the knowledge of the what we are for people participant, or sometimes without the knowledge of the participants also. And experiments we conduct in a controlled environment to test our hypothesis. Fine. Now proceeding further, we have secondary data collection techniques. Here, basically these data are the terms